Hello investor, how you are? First of all, thank you so much for subscribing this channel. I hope you got some value. So that's the reason you considering subscribing this channel. So I hope I will be keep delivering the good topics, good discussion to you related to stock market come business. Okay. So the thing is that in this particular video, we are going to cover one beautiful stock related to long term, right, with strong fundamental. And here in this, we are going to study whether this stock is good to invest, hold or sell. No recommendation as such. We are going to study on basis of studies. You can check with your financial advisor. So this will be number 5 stock as of now what I have discussed. You can check the all the videos and how the stock is performing. You will understand in details. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and share to your friend. Definitely you will get some value out of it. Okay, let's proceed. The stock which are going to study today, it has market capital 7897, which is small cap. Recently, it's not very old, not even 3 years old into the system. So we have less data to study, but this is very optimistic stock as per the data available. Current price is 205, all time high 245 and low 69.6. Stock P is 44, book value is 33, right, and return on equity 13.8 and ROC is 12 and face value is 10. It means long term there are chances of stock split also. After the listing it has given a good return. Okay, not even less than 3 years, it given more than 100% return. Okay, why it has given return? It's not like that simply someone is buying and selling. There are some strong fundamental of this particular company. Let's see how this company promoters holding. Initially it was 77.97. It was when it came in September 2022. It was came as an IPO, and later this holding is now 72.97. What does it mean? Holding has been reduced. That's okay. Why holding is reduced, that we need to understand. If you see in this particular quarter, from 77 it went to 72, but all those 5% is absorbed by DIs and FIs. Public is not interested. Okay, whenever you see public is not interested, you can understand how that stock future will be. And even now also, if you see public is almost nil, 5.54, that's it, and total investor is just 84,116. So there are huge potential. When I'm saying potential, there is no guarantee of it, it's a potential. Okay, and next fundamental of this company, if you see sales increasing every quarter, you can see sales increasing, expenses also increasing in the ratio, but overall profit is also increasing. That's important. It means expenses is less than the sales. So if you have a profit, then we have a good chance to grow in a long term, and accordingly earning per share, that will also comes in the ratio of profit, right? And last quarter it was even better. You can watch this quarter result before buying this stock. Watch the result, understand the details, understand the fundamental, then you proceed with buying. Blindly if you buy anything, definitely you will be in trouble. And also if you see nowadays deliveries happening in this stock before fourth quarter result, 61, 50, 54 with good volume, and deliveries also happening. So we can expect something good in this quarter from this particular business. Let us understand the brand of this particular business. What are the brand? This particular company hold the brand of Bajaj Electronic, Apple, Kitchen Stories, Audio and Beyond, Easy Kitchens. They have 14 lakhs plus customers all over and 2,511 employees, 70 plus brand, 151 store, and experience of 4 decades. What does it mean? More than 4 decades. So do not confuse with this Bajaj Electronic brand they're holding. They are not part of Bajaj Group. Okay. So, but the thing is that if you this particular company name is EMI, what is EMI? It is not our home loan or personal loan EMI. This is Electronic Mart India Limited. This says Bajaj Electronic, but this is not part of Bajaj Group. Okay, do not get confused with that. Bajaj Group is altogether different company. This is not part of Bajaj, but they hold Bajaj Electronics subsidiaries, and they open a new store in spite of 151 store. They open a new store also recently on 23rd March 2024. So they are expanding their business. rapidly expanding their business, which is good for the company. That's the reason FI is buying, DI is buying, and you can see good futuristic. Okay, and if you see, right, electronics smart 2024 goal also 15 to 20% revenue growth, 20 stores in NCR region. This is, we are not saying it. This has been said by Prem Chand, who is the CFO of this particular company, and he projected this much growth for this company. And if someone is confused about Bajaj Group, these are the Bajaj Group company. This particular company is not part of Bajaj Group. So there are multiple companies in Bajaj Group, more than 12 companies listed, and this particular company is not part of Bajaj Group. So do not consider this company understanding this part of Bajaj Group. If someone is saying also, do not confuse by yourself and other statement. Okay, discuss with your financial advisor and then take your decision. Overall fundamental of this company is very strong as per the data provided, and we can see good growth if it is remain same, and if there is a growth in coming quarter also. So study this particular stock, okay, then decide whether to buy, sell or hold. Overall this seems to be very optimistic business in a long term. Okay, let's see into the next video. Till then, keep investing.